Okay, so this is going to be a little unorthodox because it's being done a bit quickly, and for good reason. But I want to show you a really good tea to help during this time. I like to add throat coat to any teas that I'm making these days because I feel like there's a lot. I mean, pretty much all the herbs here are really beneficial, and it helps with coating the throat, and that seems to be a big issue. So if you can add this, if not, these should do the job. But if you have it, you know, why not? So just throw it in there. As you can see, I have very little left. So I'm just gonna put a bag of throat coat. And this is the kind of tea you're not going to want to drink more than a cup because it's just that bad. It's going to taste that bad. But it's good for you. So cut about, I have red onions. I think they're a little, red onions, but I know these days you have what you have. So an onion, I'm going to just say an onion, but if you have a red onion, I prefer that. And cut about, say about an inch. You're going to put like maybe, I would say the equivalent of 2 tablespoons chopped up. Okay. And I'm just doing all the ingredients that I have to cut up. This is raw turmeric. If you don't have that, I just got lucky that I have that. I bought this some time ago. Just use turmeric powder and organic if you can. So I'm gonna just try to quickly, and just chop that up as much as you can. Mince it if you like, and if it's ground, it's already done for you. Turmeric's pretty important, so I'm going to add just a little bit of the powdered turmeric as well. And then a little bit of black pepper, which I forgot to put down here because that helps to activate the turmeric. So just a dash of pepper, not too much or it'll overpower everything. And then a little bit of ginger. So these are the 3 things I need to cut up a little bit here. Just a little piece of ginger. Okay. And if you don't have like some of these ingredients, some of them are not as important as others. Like the passion flower extract, I know maybe not many people have that, so that's a, you know, if you have it, great, add it. If you don't worry about it. But everything else is pretty basic, like most people have it in there. I would say the ashwagandha, I'm not sure how to say that, but it's amazing. That and the passion might not be in every kitchen. Garlic, the most important thing. So I would say 2 cloves of garlic. Get over any issues you have with taste because it's all about the chemicals and the reaction of the chemicals and how it's going to help you. So 2 cloves of garlic. You can get through this. It's 1 cup. And more, I would say 2 if you really can. You can spread it out, like have 1 cup and then maybe 3 hours later have the rest. That's my phone going off, ignore that. All right, so 2 cloves of garlic chopped up. Again, I'm moving pretty fast here. 2 cloves of garlic. Okay. A spoonful of ACV, that's apple cider vinegar. A teaspoon, not a tablespoon. Teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And 3 bay leaves. So about 3 bay leaves. So big ones here. 1, 2, 3. This is organic elderberry powder. I got this a few weeks ago as well. And there's a spoon in there, so we'll just use the spoon that it came with. And I'll say a teaspoon of that. A teaspoon of echinacea. Actually, 2 teaspoons of echinacea. If you have sage leaves, you can just put in maybe 3, but if not, just add a dash of that. That's for fever. So I'd say like a teaspoon of sage if you can. Just move these to the side. Did that. Last 2 are the ashwagandha, and you're going to want to do a half a teaspoon of this. This is some strong stuff happening here. So half a teaspoon of this. A little more, a little. And we're almost there. I know you're thinking, oh my God, this is going to be awesome. Half a teaspoon of the passion fruit flower extract. Passion flower, sorry, not passion fruit, passion flower. And the last thing, again, doubt that this is in every kitchen, so if you don't have it, fine. Colloidal copper, so like a teaspoon of that. I'm just gonna dab it, and then add water. I would go with spring water because you know what's happening with it. It's not from the faucet. There's no question about that. So I would say 2 cups of water. I'm just gonna put something in there. Let it boil. Let it sit for maybe a minute or 2 so it's not too hot, and then drink. And you should feel a lot better. Stay healthy. Be safe. God bless you.
Why?